Now, one of the most common things you need in a safety poster is a stick man or a stick woman. Let's call it a stick person. What we'll do for now is just select those two things and we'll just throw them out of the way onto the tabletop. And what we're going to do is draw a stick man as fast as I know how to do it. Let's go to a square and we're going to draw what will be a leg. We don't want to make it too big or too fat, so let's go like this. Now I'm going to zoom in. Click on the black arrow, obviously, and you can see that my rectangle is there, and you can see these little circles inside the rectangle. So what I'm going to do is click and drag, and that rectangle now becomes this really nice rounded rectangle with these round edges here. What we'll do is we'll just making sure the black arrow is clicked, we're going to go to the outside of the shape that's just there, and you can see that the mouse or the arrow itself changes into this little turny symbol. So we're going to click on this and we're going to turn it like this. Don't really care what angle I put it at. Just zoom out a little bit. And we're going to, on our keyboard, Command C, Command V, paste like this. And what we'll do is just turn it around like this. Now again, I'm not being exact. And I am going to use my trackpad to zoom in and out because it's really useful to zoom in and out. Now I'm not going to make a perfect stick man or a stick woman here, just kind of messing around. Again, we'll press Command C, Command V, copy and paste. We'll bring this up and we'll put it back to 0. That's straight up and down now. We'll put that there. Command C, V. And you can see how fast I'm working here. Now for this one, I want the arms to be just a little bit shorter. And we'll turn that a little bit more than the legs were there. And we'll Command C and V. And very quickly just turn that as well. So again, I'm not being absolutely precise. I'm not being perfect in what I'm doing. I'm just really quickly drawing it. So there we have our stick body. And we'll click on the rectangle, keep it pressed, go to the ellipse, which is a circle. Press Shift on my keyboard and just draw not such a big head and put it there. And that's a really simple stick man or a stick woman. Now, obviously, if you wanted to do a running or a walking or some other shape, you'd have to take a little bit more time and draw your arms bent and your legs bent. But for now, this should be enough to get you making a stick man or a stick woman really quickly. Remembering, if we look at the layers, our stick person is made up of a bunch of different shapes. And if you then try to move your stick person, it would be a mess. So do select everything, object at the top, and then group. And then that will be treated as one shape and you can move it around without messing it up.